guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Hi, we're about to explore Wuse Market, guys. I don't even know if you can hear me, I'm walking. Okay, Wuse Market is a popular market here in Abuja. For most people would know the market if you stay in Abuja. Since it's not far from my house, I'm going to be taking I don't know if you guys know what along is, but it's like a shared cab. Anyways, I'm going with my sister. Say hi to the channel. Hi. All right, see you guys in the market. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single.
Sorry. How are you, Bobo? Daddy Bobo. Bye.
Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. But I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. Options to stress you.
Oh my God, few things became many things. We're currently on our way home now. See you guys some other time. Peace out. Bye. Hey guys, today is the 16th of May. Today is Tuesday. I have a little errand that I want to run. Today is also my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, big sis. Thank you so much for all you do for us. We love you, we appreciate you. Pray that God's blessings always be upon your life and that He grants you all your heart's desire. Currently waiting for my ride. I just booked a ride. We just made these plans like just this afternoon. It's currently 2:30 and I'm about to go pick up the cake. Sister and my dad, they are both birthday mates, and you know, we lost our dad like February this year. And sorry, someone is calling me. I have to. My sister and my dad usually celebrate their birthday together, but since we lost my dad February this year, my sister said she's not going to be doing anything today for her birthday, so I'm currently going to Gozi Cake, Abuse too. Anyways, I just thought to check up on you guys, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. Let's explore Abuja today. Since I'm not really done anything this week, so since I'm going to pick up the cake, I thought you guys should come along with me. So see you guys later.
Sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni bona
I'm currently waiting for my ride to come. You guys, the other just came. I just picked it now from the rider. I'm going inside. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. I'm going to GIG Logistics, I will say too. I have a package that came from Lagos that I'm about to pick, and of course you guys are coming along with me. I just found out that they have an office in Atwuse too. I didn't know. The one I know is at Utako, but my ride just got here now, and I'll see you guys. Bye. guys, I just got the package now. I'm heading home. I want to get a ride that'll take me home. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so this was the package that I went to pick up from JIJ. I would say to the last time you guys saw me, but I haven't unboxed it yet, so I just thought to do it with you guys on camera. So this is a new vlogging kit that I got from Talk Glam Studio on Instagram. One of the reasons that made me like this vlogging kit was the fact that it came with a microphone, which a lot of people have been complaining that they hardly hear me when I talk. So I decided to go for this one, and my sisters were kind enough to say they were going to gift me, so I'm super excited, and I want to unbox it with you guys. I just hope that is exactly the way that I saw on their Instagram. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's unbox it first, then I'll tell you guys how much it costs. Okay, so I'm just going to rip this off. So this is how it is. I think I might need scissors for this, so let me get scissors. I'll get back to you guys. So we are going to rip this out. Hopefully it's the same with what we saw online. So this is what it looks like. So it has like this mini ring light or flashlight, then the mic, this I'm excited about, and then you place your phone here, and pretty much this is how it looks like. Yeah, this was how I saw it on the website. So this vlogging kit cost 15,000 naira, and then I paid for 3,000 naira delivery from Lagos to Abuja, so total of 18,000. That is what this vlogging kit costs. But this was how I saw it on Instagram. So I'm just going to set it up and show you guys when I'm done. This is how it looks like after putting them together. Yeah, so I'm testing it with an Android phone, which pretty much the cord that came with the mic, it's suitable for an Android phone. Yeah, so, and I use an iPhone, so I definitely will have to get a new cord for the mic. Hopefully I get I'll be able to find it here in Abuja. And then the lights, it actually didn't come with a battery. The LED ones I just put here to test the lights, and this is how it looks like, guys. So fine. I love it. I love it. Like, even in the dark, I can still vlog, like when it's dark. I love the vlogging kits, to be very honest. I love it. I love it, guys. So I'm just going to check to see if I'll get a new cord, which is for my iPhone, and pretty much I hope it works. And yeah, it also came with this remote, so I can also take pictures if I want as well with it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. It means so much to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.